Tinanong ko kasi kung sino po bang, paano pa sila nagsimula, saan sila nagkasal. Dito pala sila kinasal, no? 50 years ago.
Tell me, when will you be mine? Tell me cuando we can share a love divine. Please don't make me wait again.
Perla, sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang simbahan, sambayanan, sinasariwa ko ang aking pasya.
Sambayanan, sinasariwa ko ang aking pasya, noong tinitipan kita na naging aking kabiyak sa hirap at ginhawa.
Noong isisipan kita na maging aking kabiyak sa hirap at ginawa, sa dusa at ligaya, ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin.
Sa dusa at ligaya, ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin at itatanging karugtong ng buhay ngayon at magpakailanman.
Every moment's a day.
Every day seems a lifetime.
Sa buhay po nila Kuya Severino at Tita Perla, sila ay ang tunay na asin at ilaw. Nagpapatunay na ang buhay pagmamahalan dito po sa sakramento ng kasal sa ating pong pananampalataya ay talagang mag-persevere, resilient, at hindi po nawawala, mag-fade out, hindi po. Mas lalong lumalakas.
Just say it's me that you adore.
And then, darling,
All dressed in white. Oo, lahat. May camera na lahat. Panay may cellphone.
oh my darling, tell me when.
The plans we make and chances we take, I feel everything more with you. Quiet confidence and trusting every step, and we know that our faith will get us through. It's so obvious, forever calling us, and this time we won't wait and wonder anymore. When the morning breaks, we won't hesitate. It's the first day, it's the first page. Our story starts here. Our story starts here.
Hindi ka na nakilala.
Before our eyes, now we find it all becomes so clear. Our story starts here. Constant faith in the words we say, and it makes us sure we're never letting go. It's so obvious, forever.
June. Ako din, palayo ko din. Jude. Jude. J-U-D-E. Jude. Sige po.
Our story starts here.
pong balikan yung panahon at moment where kayo po ay talagang nagpaalam, pinapakita sa ating sambayan ng nanampalataya na it is actually possible what is seen by now by many na imposible. Imposible talagang aabot ng 50 taon.
Our story starts here. Our story starts here. Our story starts here. Our story starts here. Before our eyes, now we find it all becomes so clear. Our story starts here.